Hello, everyone. It's Miss Hall, and welcome back to another day of Sounds and Words. And Rosa the Rabbit. Hi, friends. I'm glad I could hop in today. I'm so glad you're here today, too. And I'm glad all of you could join in as well. Let's begin with our learning target. Are you ready? I can identify specific sounds in words. We are going to begin with rhyming words. I love this activity. I am going to say a make-believe words of something you could find in a room at school. Are you ready to give it a try? I am. Oh, good. Let's say, everyone, say burls. What's a real thing you could find in school that rhymes with burls? Girls? Yes, girls. Say loys. What's a real word that rhymes with loys? Boys. Yes, boys. Say lecture. What's a real word you could find in a room that rhymes with lecture? Picture. Yes, picture. Say coaster. That could be a real word. Well, what's a different word that rhymes with coaster? Poster? Yes, poster. Great job. Let's try one more. Say nooks. What's a real word, something you find in your classroom that rhymes with nooks? Books. Yes, books. I love books. I love books too. They're so fun. Great job coming up with rhyming words today. Our next activity is going to work with identifying first sounds in words. I'm going to say two words. If they start with the same first sound, we're going to put our hands in the air. If they do not start with the same first sound, we'll just shake our head. Let's give it a try. Say zoo, toy. Do they start with the same first sound? No, they do not. Say tag, talk. Do they start with the same first sound? Yes, they do. Good job. Say 5, food. Do they start with the same first sound? Yes, they do. Say run, bike. Do they start with the same first sound? No, they do not. Say help, home. Do they start with the same first sound? Yes, they do. Great job identifying whether two words start with the same first sound. Thanks for helping, Rosa. Now I'm going to get my choppers out. I'm going to chop the syllables or chunks in a word. You're going to put those chunks together. When I go like this, they'll say that word. Let's give it a try. Doctor. Doctor. After. After. Letter. Letter. Stormy. Stormy. Almost. Almost. Banjo. Banjo. Great job putting syllables or chunks of words together to make a word. Now it's time to work on identifying the final or last sound we hear in words. Rosa's going to hop in to join us with this one. Get ready. Say zoom. What's the last sound in zoom? Yes. Say wolf. What's the last sound in wolf? Yes. Say pen. What's the last sound in pen? Yes. Say vote. What's the final sound in vote? Yes. Last word. Say rub. What's the final sound in rub? B. Yes. B. Great job identifying the final or last sound in words. Now it's time for you to get your choppers out. I'm going to say a word. You are going to chop the 2 syllables or chunks of that word. Let's get started. Say napkin. Now say the chunks in napkin. Napkin. Good job. Say blister. Now say the chunks in blister. Blister. Good job. Say mountain. Now say the chunks in mountain. Mountain. Good job. Say children. Now say the syllables in children. Children. Good job. Let's try one more. Say eagle. Now say the chunks in eagle. Eagle. Great job breaking words down into the chunks or syllables. Now we are going to start with the word. We're going to change the first syllable and then say what our new word is. Ready? Say turkey. Change tur to mun. What's our new word? Monkey. Good job. Say winter. Change win to n. What's our new word? Enter. Say fiction. Change fic to stay. What's our new word? Station. Say robin. Change rob to cab. What's our new word? Cabin. Great job changing the first syllable in a word to make a new word. Now we are going to work on starting with one syllable, adding the next syllable. When I go like this, you're going to tell me what our word is. Ready? Say art. Add ist. Artist. Say laugh. Add ter. Laughter. Say part. Add ner. Partner. Say calm. Add pound. Compound. Say bow. Add nuss. Bonus. Let's do one more. Say tur. Add key. Turkey. Great job adding syllables together to make a word. Now for our last activity, Rose is going to come back and help us count words and sentences. Are you ready? I wash my hands. Say that with me and put a finger in the air for each word you hear. I wash my hands. How many words is that? 4. Yes, 4 words in that sentence. Next sentence. I am a good kid. Say that with me and put a finger in the air for each word you hear. I am a good kid. How many is that, everybody? 5. And you all are all good kids. You're great. They are good kids. You are right. Next sentence. Boy, am I smart. Say it with me. Boy, am I smart. How many words is that, everybody? 4. And you guys are super smart. Yes, they are, Rosa, and so are you. Thanks for coming today, and thanks for being here, everybody. We'll see you again next time. Goodbye, everyone.